Welcome back, guys, to another Minecraft video. Today I'm going to show you the simple storage network mod. So first off, why would you want this mod? Well, imagine you have a lot of storage and a lot of items that you cannot find a certain item inside your storage system, and you have a giant storage system like this, a bunch of chests scattered around, and you can't find any items. Well, using this mod, you'll be able to easily find items, but not only that, you'll easily be able to craft with items inside all your storage, and more. So, first you need a storage network master, a storage request table, and a storage... Actually, that's pretty much it. You just need the storage request table and storage master. So, if we do /storage, as you see, we can get the recipes for them on JEI, but as you see, you need these storage cables. They're pretty easy to craft. And most of these recipes aren't too complicated, as you see. They're pretty easy. They're just some ores and wood. So, now that we have these two items, let's place them down. And as you see, you have that. You have the storage request table. Now we need these things called storage link cables. As you see, storage cables mixed with chest gets you 4 of these link cables. You then place these on top of it, and then you connect everything to the storage request table. So let's go ahead and connect all the chests, all the storage that we have to that request table. And basically that request table, by connecting it like this, you're basically expanding its inventory. So boop, 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 boop. Let's go ahead and do that. Oops. Boop. And once you've connected all your chests to it, you can expand it later on if you need more inventory room, if it's full. But as you see, you can now place items inside this request table. Yep. So basically what you're doing is you're placing items in your chest over here. It's storing it in these chests still, but it's also showing it on here. You also have a search thing. You could search for all your items. So if I was to have a ton of wool like this, and then put it in there, all this wool is now, I can easily put it in my system. As you see, the wool is somewhere inside my storage room, but using this I can easily grab it and put it back in. I can also easily craft with it too, as you see. So now I can craft stacks upon stacks of carpets. I can craft a bunch of other things like buttons. So if I had 64 buttons, I could craft 64 buttons if 64 stone was inside my storage system. As you see, we can now access every single chest that is connected using these storage link cables. It's quite nice and quite OP. Now, using these import and export cables, you can send items into the system, or you could send items into a chest. So, I think it's export items from the network into an attached inventory. Yes, the storage export cable. So I'm going to show you what I mean by that and why this is quite useful. So I'm going to go ahead and grab some bones. Yes, I'm going to go ahead and put this right here. Yeah. Actually, I think you could do this with anything. I think I could put it right over here and then do this. And then it's linked. And then I want this to basically take bones out of the system and put it into this chest. So now whenever I put bones into the system, it should put bones into here. Yep. As you see, that's what the export cable does. Now the import does the opposite. It takes items out of this chest and puts it into our storage system over here that is connected to this storage request table. So as you see, it will slowly filter out all the bones out of our system. Now, this is extremely useful for many different things. Like if you wanted to set up a dropper system using a dropper and redstone, a redstone clock, you can basically set up a trash can, and you can make it so that all all of these bones go into lava. If you could drop them into lava, so that you don't have any bones in your storage. Yeah, that's pretty much it. It's a very simple mod, very easy to use. Like, anyone can use this, quite easy. Also, you can also sort it in different ways. You can sort it by names, by mod. So as you see, it's sorted by mod. JEI search feature disabled. You can also clear your search thing. You can clear your crafting grid, and then it will put the items into your system again. So let's just say you had a big recipe. Instead of taking everything out of your crafting grid, you can just do that. Yep. I mean, it does look a bit monstrosity though. So I would recommend you hide your storage, or you can keep it like this, but look at this monstrosity. Well, that's it for this video.